like Kambi Mawe, Kambi Mawe at Mavoloni are all back to functionality after having been closed down for a number of years. Importantly, to support women groups, I'm the first member of parliament who have seen the need to economically support women groups, and more so we are talking of widows who are actually struggling to meet basic needs. But I've backed through friendship or through reaching out to my friends on a very progressive program of purchasing tents and chairs, using our personal resources together with my friends to give windows, that is the window groups, who are actually taking or using these tents and chairs to be able to lease out during functions and to generate some livelihood or some money to support the basic needs in their families. And then in terms of devolving services, I noted the need to have birth certificates distributed at the village level. So these have saved many poor families money, travel costs to come from their villages to go to access very essential documents. I'm also the first member of parliament to support school feeding program in Yatta constituency. Before I was elected, Yatta was not included at all in school feeding program. But when I came in as a member of parliament, using my networks and engaging with the different partners like NACONEC, who have been getting support from World Food Program, that is World Food Program, we have been able to get food for my schools in the different wards. Of course, not every time we receive food, but at least I've been able to generate or to be able to support school feeding program, particularly during dry period. So all this is work that I'm being able to do within 2 years and a half. And then before I rest my case, I've also noted the need to bring government Huduma services close to my people. And that is why, as we speak today, the Huduma Center, the first ever in Yatta constituency and the second in Machakos County, is under construction at Matu Ward. I've also supported the youth through the sports tournaments. I did my first tournaments and I'm planning other tournaments in the near future. I've also lobbied for the first sport academy that will be constructed at Kisiiki. Lastly, I'm the first member of parliament to see the need to have modern markets. Through the Ministry of National Housing, I've been able to lobby for 2 markets, Kidimani markets and Katangi markets that are under construction. And finally, I've also pushed for Matu market, which will very soon be able to start or to be constructed. They say Rome was not built in a day.